Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
in his first address to Congress since returning to the White House, President Donald Trump asserted that the American dream is unstoppable. He outlined his ambitious plans to revamp the economy, strengthen national security, and reshape immigration policies. With close advisor Elon Musk in attendance, Trump assured Americans that his administration was just getting started on a bold transformation of the country. The already tense relationship between China and the United States hit a new low as Chinese President Xi Jinping issued a stern warning to US President Donald Trump. Xi declared that China was fully prepared for any type of war, signaling growing military and geopolitical tensions between the two global superpowers. This development follows months of economic disputes and heightened military activity in the Indo-Pacific region. The UK government has strongly condemned a security breach during External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar's visit to London, where a group of Khalistani extremists attempted to disrupt his event at Chatham House. The situation escalated when one protester ran towards Jaishankar's vehicle and tore the Indian national flag in front of law enforcement officials. British authorities have reaffirmed their commitment to ensuring diplomatic security while emphasizing that such acts of intimidation will not be tolerated. Chinese tech giant Alibaba has unveiled a groundbreaking artificial intelligence model, QWQ-32B, which it claims can rival leading models such as DeepSeek and OpenAI's O1 Mini. Unlike its competitors, Alibaba's AI model is designed to solve complex problems using significantly less data, making it more efficient and cost-effective. The development marks a major leap in Alibaba's efforts to establish itself as a global AI powerhouse. The stage is set for an electrifying clash as India take on New Zealand in the Champions Trophy 2025 final on Sunday, 9th of March at the Dubai International Stadium. Both teams have displayed dominant performances throughout the tournament, setting the stage for an intense battle. India, led by Rohit Sharma, is looking to secure yet another ICC title, while Mitchell Santania's New Zealand squad hopes to finally claim the trophy after multiple near misses in ICC finals. The low-budget comedy Anora emerged as the biggest winner at this year's Oscars, securing 5 prestigious awards, including Best Picture and Best Actress for Mikey Madison. Directed by Sean Baker, the film also took home Best Director, Best Original Screenplay, and Best Editing, making it one of the most celebrated films of the year. The film's unexpected dominance at the awards has cemented its place as a modern classic in independent cinema.